Look at all this nonsense here. I just had to repair a section of my septic line. It was completely full of roots, tree roots. This chunk. It's as big as my arm almost. So yeah, here's some of the tree roots. I'm in the shade. There we go. There's some of the tree roots. I mean, the system was just completely plugged with tree roots. The water was not escaping out of the tank. It should be good now. It should be a flowing line now. So this is the section I repaired. I cut out, pulled all the tree roots out. I had to dig this all with a shovel, which was not fun. Going through all these tree roots. This problem was caused by this silver maple over here. The roots have traveled all the way over here and busted through my my septic line. Well, it didn't bust through it. There was a really poorly installed joint, and the roots traveled in that way. So back in January, I had to dig these lids up and have my tanks pumped. This septic tank was filling up with water. Basically, the water wasn't traveling through the pipe into the leach field because it was full of tree roots, which is over there. All of these lawn chairs are there just so nothing falls in the hole. Like me. I'm about to put some of this tree root killer into the cleanout pipe I installed and run some water through it. There were some roots further down the line, just minor stuff, so hopefully I can kill it with that stuff, and hopefully I don't have to dig this line up all the way to the weeping field. Here's another look at the repaired section. I'm no plumber, but I think this is fine. And now I have a clean out. I can dump as much root killer as I want into this line from here on in. I can also run a plumber's auger down through there and clean out anything in the future. It should flow now. There's no reason why it shouldn't. Everything's clear from the tank 5 feet out. I suspect that even further is fine. I'll find out. I mean, if it doesn't flow, then I guess I'm digging out farther this way. Hopefully I don't have to do that. So this is a clean out pipe. I have to install a proper screw-in cap. It has this thing for now. I don't know if you'll be able to see down here or not, but there's no water staying in the line, so I think it's leaching. I think it's going out into the leach field. There's no water hanging around at all. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, I'm going to put some root killer down here in just a moment and chase it with a bunch of water. Let it do its thing. Okay, that's the first treatment of the root killer. We'll see what happens from there. All I can do now is keep using the system, flush the toilets, don't be afraid to run water down the sink, and hopefully it leaches out into the field. If not, I'm digging farther down the line, I guess. Hopefully I don't have to do that. Yeah, I did the best I could with all this without hiring a plumber. I mean, what I've done here, the amount of digging, cutting the pipe out, replacing it, fishing all the tree roots out of it, I can't imagine what that would have cost me hiring a plumber. So I did it myself. And it worked out fine. I mean, I wouldn't tackle anything as far as the whole leach field goes. You need a piece of equipment for that. When I was digging this hole, these are the tree roots I found and what I had to hack through. They're massive. It was hell digging this hole. Roots like you would not believe. So this is the cause of my septic line tree root problem. This huge silver maple. The roots traveled all the way over to the pipe, found a way into my pipe, and clogged it completely. Trees are nice, but not when they're close to your house, or your septic, or your sewer if you happen to be in town.